But, while AI can have some tangible benefits, according to the report by Braze that I mentioned at the top of the show, according to that same report, how less than half of marketers are either using or intend to use it. So, there's still quite a bit of organizations that are not using it. What insights can you give us about why this is the case?
Yeah, I think that, I think people see it really as something, it's a time saver, right? Everyone thinks about AI today as like a time saver. Or there's a million things that people want to do, right? Every org has a couple different use cases that they want to implement. So I think it's important for, right, I'm going to talk about leadership again, to get involved and create some kind of like prioritization, right? So there's not a really big gap between, use and effective implementation at scale. I would say that today, I don't know, I don't want to say people are running around with their heads cut off, but everyone, right? It's a buzzword. And so when it's a
Right.
buzzword in the marketing world, everybody kind of is like, oh, we got to do it. What does it do? But nobody really knows what it means. You can't have best practices and experimentation at the same time. I think we're still just in this place of people getting used to it, people figuring out how to work it into their day to day. But I do expect that adoption to go up. And I think one thing that we've done, with some of our teams is, do we get a course and force people to
Right.
accelerate their knowledge with it? So again, I think it's really important for leadership to also look at like what's preventing those gaps, particularly within your org. Is it a time issue? Is it, oh, we don't actually know how to use the technology? And then where do you need to invest or release a little bit of friction so some of that can flow smoother?